In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for a record in Zoho CRM. Navigating through your Zoho CRM efficiently can make a significant difference in managing your tasks, and one of the key aspects is mastering the search feature. Whether you're looking for a specific contact, lead, or deal, this powerful tool can save you time and effort. First, let's look at the search bar. You can locate this by finding the magnifying glass icon, usually situated on the left side of your CRM dashboard. It's your gateway to accessing any record swiftly. To get started, simply type in at least 3 characters. This initial step helps in narrowing down the options and quickly pulling up relevant information. One of the great features of Zoho CRM's search function is its flexibility. You have the option to filter your search results by module. This means you can center your attention on specific areas like leads, contacts, or deals. To do this, use the drop-down menu available right next to the search bar to select the module you want to focus on. This is especially useful if you have a vast amount of records and you need to narrow it down to a particular area of interest. Once you enter your search criteria, the results will show up with a quick preview of the relevant records. This preview isn't just passive, it's equipped with inline actions, allowing you to perform tasks such as sending an email or making a call directly from the search results. This means you can take immediate action without leaving the page, streamlining your workflow. If you need to dive deeper into your search results, simply hit Enter or click on View Advanced Search for more refined options. This allows you an advanced level of filtering and sorting, ensuring that you get exactly what you're looking for with precision. An often overlooked but immensely helpful feature is the customization of columns that appear in your search results. Depending on the module you're in, you can use the drop-down menu to determine which columns you want to display. This means you can tailor your search results to highlight the most relevant information for your current task, making it easier and faster to find what you need. Finally, think of some everyday scenarios where this search functionality becomes incredibly handy. Imagine needing a fast lookup across your entire CRM. You can quickly search for a specific person like Jane, or even a part of an email address. This capability enhances your productivity by letting you access information directly, cutting down the process of manually sifting through lists. By mastering these techniques, you'll streamline your workflow significantly. Remember that being efficient in searching for records can make a profound impact on how effectively you manage your tasks and follow up with clients. So, practice these tips, and you'll find yourself navigating through Zoho CRM with greater ease and speed.